Are you a YouTuber struggling to build your audience? Are you not making the money you want to make or need to make on YouTube? Did you know that there is an alternative to YouTube that exists that allows you to say whatever it is that you want to say and make money on whatever it is you upload that same day? Family, welcome to Dtube Basics. In this course, you will learn how to master the basics of using this wonderful decentralized platform. My name is Sean Webb and I'm an American currently living in South Korea. I live here as a vlogger and a professional videographer. As a 3-year veteran on YouTube, I have struggled with growth. One day I discovered Dtube, and after uploading one video a day for 30 days, I saw more growth on that platform than I have my 3 years on YouTube. In 30 days, I grew in terms of exposure and financially. What I found while using this program is something that only a few thousand people know about, and I'm going to share this with you on Udemy today. I want to share with you guys methods that I've used to help me become a success on Dtube. In this course, you'll learn what Dtube is, how to use it, how to master the basics, and more importantly, how to make money on there. No more having to struggle with creating and uploading video content anymore. Feel free to look through the course to get a glimpse of what to expect. Are you ready to get your content out there and make money while doing so? Sign up for my course today and let's dominate this platform today.